Kangbolodji the Lost Path has achieved several important milestones in its journey so far. It is recognized as the first Karbi-language film to secure theatrical and distribution rights in the United Kingdom and China, including Hong Kong and Macau, creating a historic milestone for Karbi cinema. UK-China Film Collab +1 film market at the 78th Cannes Film Festival, bringing Karbi storytelling to an international platform. UK-China Film Collab +1, the distribution rights were acquired by the London-based organization UK-China Film Collab, helping the film reach global audiences. Directed by Kong Macau and produced by Ranjit Theron under the banner of Ruru Rara Entertainment RRE, the film has been widely recognized as a breakthrough for Karbi and Assamese cinema. The film won the Special Jury Award in the Indian language films category at the 31st Kolkata International Film Festival 2025. Second, 17th Bengaluru International Film Festival 2026. Third, 2nd Guwahati International Film Festival 2026. Fourth, South Asian Film Festival of Montreal, Canada 2026. Fifth, 3rd Northeast India Film Festival, Imphal 2026. 6. 9. International Folklore Film Festival, Kerala 2026. 7. New Jersey Indian and International Film Festival, USANJIIFF. 8. Best Sound Design at 3rd Northeast India Film Festival, Imphal 2026. 9. Best Script at New Jersey Indian and International Film Festival, NJIIFF in USA. This journey represents a major step in taking Karbi culture, language and storytelling to international audiences and establishing a global presence for Karbi cinema. The film producer Ranjit requests all cinema lovers, well-wishers and supporters of indigenous films to encourage and support our upcoming Karbi language in the feature film Love You Messi will be directed by Kong Macau and producer Ranjit Theron under the banner of Ruru Rara Entertainment RRE. Following co-production meetings at the Cannes Film Market, the project has been taken an important steps towards the international stage. We are delighted to have UK-based Hong Kong creative Hugh Man Chan join the project as executive producer. He will oversee the film's international packaging, including festival strategy, sales, distribution, and marketing across global markets outside India. This is not just a film, it is another proud opportunity to showcase Karbi culture, language, and storytelling to the world. Your encouragement, blessings, and support will inspire us to continue this journey and take Karbi cinema to greater heights. On behalf of Team Ruru Rara Entertainment and Karbi Film Society KFS, I would like to express my sincere appreciation and gratitude to Honorable MLA and CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang for his constant encouragement and support for Karbi cinema. His vision and motivation have played a significant role in helping Karbi cinema create a platform on the international stage. We are truly thankful for his unwavering support and belief in promoting our culture and stories to a global audience. This is reporting from Dipu, Donalisha Lekipi, and Karbi News.